For years, human beings have been fascinated by what lies beyond the horizon, beyond the sky, even beyond the stars. And what secrets does the infinite darkness of space hold for us? And is there life on other planets? Well, look, I'm not going to say that we're about to find out, but we can come a little closer to knowing. This is the Celestron DS Evolution 6. It's the newest addition to the Celestron range, and it has piqued the interest of many an amateur and seasoned astronomer. To really view the night sky, you need something pretty powerful, which generally means something pretty expensive. Now, the Evolution retails for around 24,000 Rand, which is not cheap by any means, but it's worth it. Let's take a look at some of these features. First of all, it's Wi-Fi integrated, which means that you can control it using an app on your smartphone or tablet. It runs for 10 hours of stargazing pleasure on a single charge. It has fully coated glass lenses for bright, sharp views of the moon, planets, deep sky objects, and more. It's got two eyepieces for 38 and 115 time magnification and a free planetarium app. But wait, there's more. Yeah, there's the real in-depth specs, like it's got a 150mm aperture, its focal ratio is 10, and it has a Rayleigh resolution of 0.93 arcseconds. I don't know what that means either. Fortunately, though, we do have an expert on hand. Ultimately, though, all I want to know is, will I be able to see the moon properly?
You get telescopes that you could use on land viewing, for birding, bird watching. In this particular case, Jason, this is an astronomical telescope. So astronomical telescopes is defined more or less in terms of its magnification, firstly, and its resolving power. You are looking here at what is known as a Schmidt-Cassegrain. So although it looks short, it actually has a focal length of, 1.5 meters, I think. So this would be the equivalent of a 1,500mm telephoto lens.
In regards to the Evolution, what makes this so different to the others?
It's extremely high resolution. As I said just now, you'd be able to pick up very fine detail. This particular telescope can give you a tour of the night. If you don't know your stars, it will tell you where to go, and it will give you detail of that star. In the city, we often have to move around. You know, you'd have trees in your garden, and the question often comes up, can I view from my garden? That's the ideal place to start out, because in the Karoo, it seems that there are more stars in the sky than in Joburg. So in this particular case, you would just align the scope by saying which star you would be looking at, and there the scope goes. We've preset the eyepiece already to see whatever it's seeing through that eyepiece. And it will now find Jupiter, and once it sees that, it will do 2 more alignments, and the scope will be perfectly set. It's as simple as that. What you're seeing here is, on the software, this skyline superimposed on what is in front of us, so you never feel lost. After you've aligned it, it will tell you that it's aligned and guide you further.
As you can quite clearly see, it's starting to get dark, which really is the perfect time to find out how amazing the Evolution is. So while you start your dinner, I'll be starting to gaze. See what I did there?